Have you ever ground coffee the old-fashioned way? I'm Jeff, and I'm here to tell you about a new coffee grinder. It's the Lamido electric coffee grinder. Doesn't say anything. It just says electric coffee grinder. Generic, but it's brought to you by the folks at Lamido. Let's see what's inside the box. Open the box up. There you go. There's a plastic bag. We'll pull the bag out. Looks like we've got a manual here. And it says electric coffee grinder. And it is a blank page in the back for notes. And here's your instruction manual. Not much to it. It's all written in black and white. So let's see what else is in the box. Let's pull this out. This is your coffee grinder. And then you've got, let's see, you've got a brush for cleaning it out. And then you've got a power cord for charging it up. It is electric, so you will be charging it. There's a power port to charge it right there. And then there's an on and off button on the top. And when you push the on and off button, the lights come on. And this one says it's charged at 100%. So over here, you'll see there's a lock and unlock button. So what you're going to do is you're going to unlock it first, like so. Now, something else I wanted to tell you is there's a various grind. There's 38 various types of grinds here. So it goes from fine all the way up to coarse. What we're going to do is we're going to set it for 25, which is kind of in the middle. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your beans and you're going to stick some beans in here. And hopefully they won't go all over the place, but they are. As always, beans always end up on the floor or someplace. And that adds a little bit of extra flavor, you know, when you pick them up. You know, there's some people that eat this coffee that goes through an animal and then they grind it, and it's very, very expensive. But I don't think that's my kind of coffee. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put this on top, and there's that line, and we're going to line that up. We're going to lock that closed. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on real quick. So you push the button, you turn it on, then you hit it a second time, and it starts grinding the coffee. You can see it grinding. Okay, and we'll be back as soon as it finishes grinding. Should be just about finished. It's taken about 2 minutes, and it should turn off once it's finished. There it goes, it's turned off and it's finished. So it's probably been about 2 minutes and 15 seconds to grind all this coffee. It's done. Let's see how it looks. There's what the coffee looks like. I'll tell you what, I'll shake some of it out on the manual so you can see what the grind looks like. There's what the grind looks like. It smells good, but then again, it's pretty good coffee. So what do I have to say about this grinder? It's a nice grinder. It does the job, but it's really slow. Very, very slow grinder. My electric grinder that broke, that I replaced this with, you just push down on the top, and it would go 20 seconds, ground, but you couldn't adjust the type of grind you wanted. It just gave you one type of grind. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Jeff.
Let's analyze this little coffee grinder here. You can see it has this coarse setting. Can run this dial. Here's the line that it's using. Okay. Set it in the middle, 35, 40, I guess. Set it to 20. Not sure what the top line's for. Here's the lock and unlock. I guess I was supposed to do this. It does lock in even without the line lined up. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, now it's locked. It does lock to the left and unlock to the right. You would think that it would, let's see, righty-tighty, nope, unlock. Lefty-tighty, lock, no, it's not how it's supposed to be. All right, let's see how the grind works. It's gonna go ahead and push this. Spinning pretty good down there, pretty fast. Oh, it stopped. Must have sensed there was nothing in it. This lights up. I'm gonna hold it down. Letting go. And there's a grind mode again. Stops pretty easily. I'll run some tests and see exactly how the grind looks. Overall, it's all right. It's plastic and it's pretty good. Is it great? Not really, but it'll work.